Dear students, welcome to Social Science Tutorials. We are back with another video to help BA program second year students of SOLDU in English medium for education subject. We will discuss one question from your assignment today. Soon we will be back with another question. If you are new to our channel or haven't subscribed yet, then please subscribe Social Science Tutorials. If you find this video useful, then like, share and comment. Let's start with the question. We will discuss question number 2 from your assignment, which is explain each step of the theory of psychosocial development propounded by Erikson with example in your daily life. In which stage of this theory do you place yourself and why? क्वेश्चन है साइकोसोशल डेवलपमेंट की जो थ्योरी एरिक्सन ने दी है उसको विद एग्जांपल समझाइए। और सेकंड जो पार्ट है जो कि एक शॉर्टर पार्ट होगा कि आप इस थ्योरी के अकॉर्डिंग अपने आप को कहाँ प्लेस करते हैं कि आप कौन सी स्टेज में हैं और आप ऐसा क्यों कहते हैं। इन इंट्रोडक्शन वी कैन राइट अबाउट एरिक्सन. Erik Erikson was a psychologist who developed one of the most popular and influential theories of development, which is famous as psychosocial theory of development. Erikson believes that we can understand the development of a person by understanding 8 stages of his or her life. Erikson also believes that stages of development is shared by entire human community. तो बेसिकली वो बात करते हैं 8 स्टेजेस होती हैं, सब लोग इन स्टेजेस से होके गुजरते हैं और साथ ही साथ सारी स्टेजेस का एक स्पेसिफिक टाइम पीरियड होता है. अकॉर्डिंग टू एरिक्सन्स थ्योरी, every person has to face a kind of crisis in every stage, and these crises are faced by everyone and they are directly connected to the social psychological development of a person. These crises are not only related to person's self-development and maturation, but also related to their social expectation, social structure and culture. ये important point है. एरिक्सन ये कहते हैं हर स्टेज में हर एक व्यक्ति को एक स्पेसिफिक तरह का डिलेमा या कॉन्फ्लिक्ट होता है और जो व्यक्ति उस कॉन्फ्लिक्ट को रिजॉल्व करते हैं वो पॉजिटिवली नेक्स्ट स्टेज में पहुंचते हैं. अदरवाइज अगर वो पॉजिटिवली उसे रिजॉल्व नहीं कर पाते हैं तो उसका इफेक्ट नेक्स्ट स्टेज की जो डेवलपमेंट है उसके ऊपर पड़ता है. अब हम 8 जो स्टेजेस हैं उन 8 स्टेजेस को पढ़ेंगे. डिटेल में हम उसकी पूरी डिस्कशन करेंगे. स्टेज 1 इन्फेंसी टिल 1 ईयर, ट्रस्ट वर्सेस मिसट्रस्ट. ये स्टेज जो है 0 से 1 साल की होती है. इन्फेंसी इसका नाम है तो आप इसको टाइटल में डाल देंगे कॉलन ट्रस्ट वर्सेस मिसट्रस्ट. तो इसका जो डिलेमा है वो ट्रस्ट और मिसट्रस्ट का है. दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेज ऑफ साइकोसोशल डेवलपमेंट एंड एरिक्सन बिलीव्ड दैट द फीलिंग ऑफ ट्रस्ट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अ पर्सन ड्यूरिंग फर्स्ट स्टेज ऑफ डेवलपमेंट. इतने छोटे में ही जो ये ट्रस्ट और मिसट्रस्ट की फीलिंग है ये इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाती है किसी भी इंडिविजुअल की पर्सनैलिटी को डेवलप होने के लिए. दिस फीलिंग इज बेसिक प्री रिक्विजिट ऑफ हेल्दी पर्सनैलिटी. According to him, it is very important for an infant to ensure that this world is safe, stable and trustworthy place for him or herself. Mother plays very important role in developing this feeling of trust in infant. The way mother sensitively care her child with love and ensure him or her that she is always available there for him or her, this develop the feeling of safety and trust in the environment by the child. Further, he says that infant develops a kind of inner trust where he or she observes that body functions and biological processes are working properly. This inner trust of the child plays a significant role in successful completion of this stage. अब जो मैंने ये अलग कलर में कई सारी चीज़ें बताई हुई इनको आप हाईलाइट भी कर सकते हैं. इसके अलावा भी कुछ और पॉइंट अगर आपको लगते हैं तो आप उनको हाईलाइट कर सकते हैं असाइनमेंट में सो दैट जो असेस करने वाला है उसको डायरेक्टली पता लगे कि आपने इसकी असेंस को लिखा है और आप समझ पाए इसे. फर्स्ट क्राइसिस ऑफ अ पर्सन्स लाइफ अकर इन दिस स्टेज। मैं मेन पॉइंट्स को डिस्कस कर रही हूँ, पर आपको जो टेक्स्ट लिखना है वो आपको ये सारा टेक्स्ट लिखना ही होगा। The first crisis of a person's life occur in this stage. This crisis develop a kind of fear, doubt, and stress in child. This develop mistrust about his or her capabilities. तो फर्स्ट ही जो स्टेज है उसमें जो भी क्राइसिस है, उस क्राइसिस को अगर बच्चा नहीं पार पा पाता, उससे नहीं उभर पाता, तो उसको फियर, डाउट और स्ट्रेस अभी से स्टार्ट हो जाता है। 0 to 1 ईयर में ही बच्चे में ये टेंडेंसीज डेवलप हो सकते हैं। लेकिन अगर उसे एक सेफ इन्वायरमेंट मिलता है, if infant resolve this psychosocial crisis, then they will develop the virtue of hope, and this feeling of hope emerges from the feeling of trust he got from inner self and social world. In future, this quality will help him or her in developing feeling of trust towards different institutions of society. Stage 2, टोडलरहुड, जो कि 1 to 3 ईयर्स तक होती है, और इसका बेसिक जो क्राइसिस है वो ऑटोनॉमी वर्सेस शेम में आता है। द वर्च्यू ऑफ ट्रस्ट एंड होप इन्फेंट डेवलप इन फर्स्ट साइकोसोशल स्टेज बिकम्स द बेसिस फॉर स्ट्रगल इन्फेंट हैज टू फेस इन गेटिंग ऑटोनॉमी इन नेक्स्ट स्टेज। बच्चा सेफ फील करेगा तो वो कहीं ना कहीं हम ये देखते हैं कि वो ज़्यादा ऑटोनमस होगा सेकेंड स्टेज में। इस एज ग्रुप में भी बच्चा पेरेंट पे डिपेंडेंट करता है, लेकिन बच्चा नई चीजें सीखना भी शुरू करता है। चाइल्ड स्टार्ट्स लर्निंग लैंग्वेज एंड कम क्लोजर टू सोसाइटल एथिक्स। इन दिस स्टेज चाइल्ड स्टार्ट्स इंटरेक्टिंग विद सोसाइटी एंड एनवायरमेंट। इन द एक्साइटमेंट ऑफ दीज प्रोसेसेस चाइल्ड फील अ काइंड ऑफ प्राउड on him or herself. He or she may learn new skills and develop curiosity to exercise certain tasks. Child wants to do bathing, clothing, eating and playing by himself or herself. आप ये देखते हैं अपने आसपास में कि 1 to 3 ईयर के बच्चे जैसे ही कुछ भी चीज़ें सीखना शुरू करते हैं तो वो ये कहते हैं कि हम खुद करेंगे इस काम को। ये आप लिख सकते हैं। You can add that children wanted to do these things. Even we observe this in our environment. We can say that in this stage child develops motivation towards tasks related to selection, searching and playing. अब ये जो क्राइसिस है, इस क्राइसिस को रिजॉल्व करने में रोल ऑफ पेरेंट इज क्वाइट इम्पॉर्टेंट, कि वो किस तरह से बच्चे को फ्रीडम और ऑटोनॉमी देते हैं। इन दिस स्टेज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन इमर्जेस दैट हाउ एंड टू व्हाट एक्सटेंट पेरेंट विल बी एबल टू क्रिएट बैलेंस बिटवीन ऑटोनॉमी एंड फ्रीडम वाया देयर बिहेवियर एंड पर्सपेक्टिव। ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट लाइन है कि पेरेंट्स कैसे बच्चों को जो ऑटोनॉमी और फ्रीडम देने के बीच में जो एक बैलेंस बना पाते हैं। ऐसा नहीं, बैलेंस बनाने से मीनिंग यही है कि ना तो उन्हें बहुत ज़्यादा ऑटोनॉमी और फ्रीडम दी जाए और ना ही उन्हें बिल्कुल ऑटोनमस और फ्रीडम दे ना सैंक्शन करके जो है उनको बिल्कुल ही सारे काम उनके खुद ही करें हम। तो पेरेंट्स को ये कहीं ना कहीं एक बैलेंस बनाने की ज़रूरत है, और इसी पे डिपेंड करता है दैट हाउ चाइल्ड विल बी एबल टू कम आउट ऑफ दिस क्राइसिस और whether they will not be able to come out of this crisis. We say that we saw that in our daily life where children show tantrum on toys, show up or try to emotionally blackmail parents, they are the product of complete freedom at this stage. If child successfully resolve the crisis of this stage, then they develop virtue of self-will, which plays an important role in developing healthy personality. But if child does not successfully resolve the crisis of this stage, they will develop fear, insecurity in their personality. तो बहुत important है कि पेरेंट्स किस तरह का रोल यहाँ पर निभाते हैं और बच्चों को कितनी ऑटोनॉमी या फ्रीडम देते हैं, जो चीज़ें उन्होंने सीख ली हैं, जो काम वो कर सकते हैं उसमें। हालांकि जो इंस्पेक्शन है या जो रोल ऑफ सुपरविजन है वो ख़त्म नहीं होगा, लेकिन बच्चे को एक कॉन्फिडेंस आने के लिए ज़रूरी है कि वो बहुत कुछ काम जो है ऑटोनमस होकर करें, कुछ फ्रीडम उनको दी जाए। Stage 3, early childhood, 3 to 6 year, initiative versus guilt. In this stage, child becomes more active towards world. Erikson call it a play stage of a person's life, जहाँ बच्चे खेलते हैं। इस टाइम पीरियड पे बच्चों में सेंस ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी डेवलप्स इन चाइल्ड एंड शी और ही फील्स रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर सोशल एंड फिजिकल वर्ल्ड अराउंड देम। In this stage, child's involvement in peer group is more related to language and physical development instead of social needs. In this stage, child first time feels that he or she carries a status in society and therefore they wants to participate in every social activity. Psychosocial crisis of this stage also depends on the parents' reaction on child's behavior for exercising new role child have to play. कि बच्चे जो काम करते हैं उन कामों पे पेरेंट्स कैसा रिएक्शन देते हैं ये डिपेंड करता है 3 to 6 year एज ग्रुप में. इफ पेरेंट्स demotivated child about the excitement towards new task, child develop a feeling of guilt. This feeling of guilt makes child dependent on others for everything. And if parents appreciate the curiosity and excitement of the child, he or she will develop goal oriented qualities in future and will be motivated towards doing new assignments. So, if child successfully resolve this psychosocial crisis, they will develop goal oriented personality in future. Now coming to stage 4, childhood 6 to 12 years, the crisis is of industry versus inferiority. If a child For a child, this stage is a stage of primary schooling. In this stage, child comes in touch with the institution called school, which affects his or her behavior, thought processes, and perspective. In this age, child tends to take responsibility more seriously with reference to his or her peer group. Child also acquire new skills of self-discipline and deductive reasoning in this stage. So they basically start playing with the tools, toys associated with their professional roles in future. आप इस टाइम पीरियड पे बच्चों को घर घर खेलते हुए, स्कूल स्कूल खेलते हुए, टीचर का रोल करते हुए, डॉक्टर डॉक्टर खेलते हुए हमेशा देख सकते हैं. ये जो टाइम पीरियड है वो प्ले के थ्रू children basically try to show about their interested and their professional life which they see at that particular point of time for themselves. Here, child's social and cultural context play a very important role in the process. He learns such skills very fast and are related to his or her context. When a child learns different cultural technique and skills with the help of school, दे डेवलप दी वर्च्यू ऑफ इंडस्ट्री. यानी नई चीजें करने का जो उधम करने का जो होता है, इंडस्ट्री करने का जो वर्च्यू है वो बच्चों में डेवलप होता है. The psychosocial crisis of this stage is also related to the aptitude of industry. If child feels any incapability or inferiority during learning new skills, they will develop disinterest and frigidity in the learning. And this will again negatively impact on the identity of the child. Children can feel this incapability regarding gender, religion, race or any other economic or social identity. तो इतने छोटे बच्चे अब अपनी social identity के प्रति aware हो जाते हैं और वो उसके साथ अपनी जो incapabilities हैं या उनकी जो inferiorities हैं उनको relate करना start कर देते हैं. We can understand this with the help of following example. Sunil studies in class 5 and is also a member of a peer group. He loves to play, talking, hanging out with friends. His interests and habits are same as with the other members of his peer group, but he has few different characteristics too. He is very good painting artist, but his peer group does not show interest in his skill of painting. But they always appreciate Suresh's skill of fast running. Sunil often feels sad by ignorance of his peer group regarding his art. So the ignorance by the peer group also impacted the identity of the child. If Sunil's peer group will keep ignoring his skills of painting like always, after a point, Sunil will feel inferiority complex about his artistic skills. Children like Sunil develop a kind of confusion, shyness in their personality if their skills are neglected either by the peers group or by the parents. But if a child resolves this crisis successfully, they develop a quality of industrial attitude which will help them to develop a hard-working personality in future. Now coming to stage 5, which is adolescence, starting from 12 till 20 years, identity versus role confusion is the basic psychosocial conflict for this particular age group. According to Erikson, this is one of the important stage of psychosocial development of a person. because this stage come in between the childhood and adulthood, and adolescents often get surrounded by both social responsibility and societal expectations of childhood and youth. In this stage, an adolescent faces new psychosocial phenomena, which Erickson called ego identity, and it is a positive endpoint of this stage. The negative end of this stage is identity crisis. The biggest challenge in this stage to the adolescent is to perform all duties and responsibilities expected by society. He or she can perform this task with help of past learning and future planning. Adolescents become familiar with different social roles and goes through different physical and mental challenges. So this is also a very important stage. If adolescents doesn't fulfill all social roles and expectation, they face difficulty in adjusting with physical and psychosocial change, and they often face a kind of confusion about their role. You have to write all these things. I'm not going to discuss about this. Stage 6, early adulthood, intimacy versus isolation. This is the time when person get into marriage and start his primary family life. Also they start entering and establishing into their professions. So in this stage a person also behave like a fully functional social organism, where intimacy is an important play an important role. According to Erickson, intimacy is has multiple dimensions, and a person not only feels intimate about uh, with their intimate with their partners, but they also feel intimacy with their friends, siblings, parents, and relatives. According to Erickson, with the feeling of intimacy, people basically acquire a strong identity, and according to him, some characteristics of intimacy regarding the psychosocial stage are compassion, commitment, companionship, positivity, and open mindedness. If a person gets unsuccessful to acquire intimacy in this stage, then they develop an insecurity and asocial personality that does not have any concern for others. And if a person resolve the psychosocial crisis successfully, then they develop the quality of love and affection in their personality, and this affect their future life as well. Stage 7, which is middle class, generativity versus stagnation. So in this particular age group, it is the seventh stage of person's psychosocial development, and we can call it as the middle age of a life's of a person. A person develops the virtue of generativity when he or she start working for the welfare of the next generation. This task has deep meaning in its explanation. When a person starts working for the welfare of his or her next generation, they also contribute towards the society in which his or her future generation is about to live. According to Erickson, people start contributing positively towards society when they are successfully resolving the conflict of generativity versus stagnation. But if people thinks only about oneself and works and behave for the self satisfaction and selfishness, then they have a feeling of stagnation, and such people do not work as successful members of social community. They develop a feeling of stagnation. Erickson calls it as crisis of the middle age. Stage 8, old age, 60 to till death, ego integrity and despair. ये लास्ट स्टेज है साइकोसोशल डेवलपमेंट की, एंड दिस इन दिस स्टेज अ पर्सन रिफ्लेक्ट ऑन हिज और हर एंटायर लाइफ जर्नी. दे थिंक अबाउट एवरी डिसीजन दे टेकन इन पास्ट, about their achievements and failure of life. In this stage, person incline more toward history instead of future. He or she does not face any new psychosocial crisis in this stage, but they keep analyzing and evaluating their achievements, their failure, and their challenges of the past stage. After thinking about historic events or past life, one reaches to the conclusion that either they are satisfied with the life or they are dissatisfied with their achievements and their life. If a person completely satisfied with the life, they develop a virtue of maturation and self actualization. But if not satisfied, they become sad and disappointed. Erickson named it as despair. In such a situation, a person keeps feeling failure and unsatisfied till death. So, till here, we have discussed about the 8 stages given by Erickson for the development of any person. Now, coming to the last point, the question where they ask that where do you place yourself in this stage theory. So you can write about that, where do I place myself in this theory. In this theory, I place myself at adolescent 12 to 20 years stage, both age wise and the kind of characteristics discussed above. According to this stage, adolescents often get surrounded by both social responsibility and societal expectations of childhood and youth. ये हमने पढ़ा है, अभी उसकी ये कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है. सेम हैपन्स विद मी एंड आई एम एट some time considered as a child and at another time as a youth. At some time parents say तुम अब बच्चे नहीं रहे, while in another situation when it comes to take some decision they would say अभी तुम इतने बड़े भी नहीं हुए हो जो सारे डिसीजन ले सको. On other occasions parents expect us work like an adult and not behave like children. This is unique. This is quite confusing for me because at times I don't understand what I should do. ये मैंने आपकी तरफ से लिखा है, but I hope or I know that many of us feel this kind of conflict in our lifetime when we are in adolescent stage. According to Erickson, individuals explore possibilities and begin to form their identity based upon the outcome of their exploration about their interest, about their career, etc. I'm also exploring the possibilities according to my skills and interest. I'm constantly seeking support and guidance from other people about my life, career, and other issues. I'm constantly struggling with the question, I don't know what I want to be in life. Sometimes I'm too confused about my career and life as I'm not sure about myself. Another issue I face with getting acceptance from my friends. So peer group भी बहुत important role play करता है इस age group में. At many occasions when it comes to take clear decision about going out, spending money, etc., I feel ashamed that I am not at par with other because many of them have freedom to do things which are not permitted to me by my parents. Last year, my friends arranged a late night party at one friend's place. I could not get permission to attend that. It was quite embarrassing situation for me. Now coming to the last point where we will put a positive note about this whole situation. The interesting thing is that after reading Erickson's theory, I could understand that everyone passed through this stage and have similar conflicts. Conclusion में आप लिख सकते हैं, thus I can conclude that according to Erickson, personality develops in a predetermined order through 8 stages of psychosocial development from infancy to adulthood. As we discussed, during each stage, the person experiences a psychosocial crisis which could have a positive or negative outcome for their personality development. I am in adolescent stage and hoping to resolve the conflict and successfully completing this stage. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe Social Science Tutorials. Thanks for watching.